Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into the world of photography with an in-depth review of the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiastic hobbyist, this camera has got some impressive features that might just make it your next favorite tool. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Canon EOS R50 sports a sleek and compact design, making it incredibly portable and easy to carry around. The body is made of high-quality materials that give it a sturdy feel without being too heavy. The grip is ergonomic, providing a comfortable hold even during extended shooting sessions. The buttons and dials are intuitively placed, giving you quick access to essential functions. The 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD is a standout feature, allowing you to shoot from various angles and making it perfect for vlogging and selfies. Now let's dive into the features and specifications. The Canon EOS R50 is equipped with a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, which delivers stunning image quality with excellent detail and color accuracy. It also boasts Canon's Digic X image processor, ensuring fast performance and excellent low-light capabilities. This camera supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and Full HD at 120 frames per second, giving you smooth, high-resolution footage. The dual-pixel CMOS AF system provides fast and accurate autofocus, which is crucial for both stills and video. Additionally, the eye detection AF ensures sharp focus on your subject's eyes, making portrait photography a breeze. Performance-wise, the Canon EOS R50 does not disappoint. The image quality is exceptional, with vibrant colors and impressive dynamic range. The autofocus is quick and reliable, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera handles noise well at higher ISO levels, making it a great option for low-light photography. The 4K video quality is crisp and detailed, and the slow-motion capabilities add a creative touch to your videos. The in-body image stabilization works effectively to reduce camera shake, ensuring smooth and steady footage. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing you to easily transfer photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet. The Canon Camera Connect app makes remote shooting and sharing a seamless experience. As for battery life, the EOS R50 offers decent performance, giving you around 250 shots per charge, which is fairly standard for mirrorless cameras. Let's break down the pros and cons of the Canon EOS R50 to help you decide if it's the right camera for you. Starting with the pros: compact and lightweight. The EOS R50's small form factor makes it highly portable, perfect for on-the-go shooting. Excellent image quality. The 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers sharp and detailed images with vibrant colors. 4K video recording, supports 4K video at 30 frames per second and Full HD at 120 frames per second for high-quality video production. Fast and accurate autofocus, dual pixel. CMOS AF system with eye detection ensures sharp focus, even in challenging conditions. Vari-angle touchscreen. The 3-inch touchscreen allows for flexible shooting angles and easy navigation. Good low-light performance. Handles noise well at higher ISO levels, making it suitable for low-light environments. Wireless connectivity, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy file transfer and remote control via the Canon Camera Connect app. Now, let's look at some cons. Battery life. Approximately 250 shots per charge, which is on the lower side for extended shoots. Limited lens selection. Being an APS-C mirrorless camera, the RFS lens lineup is still growing, though you can use RF lenses with a crop factor. Single card slot. Only one SD card slot, which might be a limitation for professionals who prefer dual slots for backup. No built-in flash. The camera lacks a built-in flash, so you'll need an external flash for low-light situations. Menu system. The menu system can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, though it's highly customizable once you get used to it. So, there you have it, the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. It's a fantastic option for those looking for a compact, versatile camera that delivers excellent image and video quality. While it has a few drawbacks, the pros definitely outweigh the cons, especially if you're looking for a reliable camera for everyday use, travel, or content creation. To find out more about the Canon EOS R50, visit the link in the description. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and photography tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another camera you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.